Got a TPM Topographic map file for use with Garmin GPS devices? These are detailed topo maps optimized for outdoor navigation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to install, view, and use these Garmin Topographic map files for your adventures. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium TPM file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. A proprietary map format used by Garmin GPS devices and software like BaseCamp or MapSource. Users encounter TPM files when they download, purchase, or create custom topographic maps for outdoor activities like hiking, hunting, or geocaching. The file contains detailed elevation contours, trails, and points of interest. The TPM format is a compiled binary container designed for efficient storage and rapid rendering on resource-constrained GPS hardware. It packages vector data, raster imagery, and metadata into a single protected file. This proprietary structure prevents easy modification and ensures compatibility only within the Garmin ecosystem. Windows registers the TPM file as an opener for Garmin BaseCamp, developed by Garmin. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows cannot interpret vector or raster geodata structures. Let's utilize the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your TPM file, then click Open With. Test Garmin BaseCamp if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. When your TPM file does not open, it is usually a small issue. This is a truly stubborn TPM file. To find the error source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, loading in Garmin BaseCamp. Install Garmin BaseCamp software from garmin.com and use File. Then install Maps to add the TPM file to your map library. BaseCamp displays the topographic map for trip planning, route creation, and waypoint management. Connect your Garmin GPS device to transfer trip data and selected map regions. Next, transferring to GPS device. Connect your Garmin GPS device via USB and use BaseCamp or Garmin Express to transfer the TPM map data to the device. Select map regions to send based on your device's storage capacity. The maps appear on the device's mapping screen for in-field navigation during outdoor activities away from computer access. Finally, converting map formats. Use tools like Gmap Tool or QLand Card AGT to inspect and convert TPM files to other GPS map formats. While Garmin's format is proprietary, these tools can sometimes extract underlying map data for use in non-Garmin GPS applications. Note that license restrictions may apply to commercial Garmin map products, preventing redistribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagic. This software is available at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.